This is another exciting news because we have a brand new ETF that is going to add to a bunch of other ETFs. So now we have more options to buy and trade different type of income generating ETFs. YieldMax introduces option income strategy ETF on Robinhood Markets Inc. Hood. This ETF started trading on Thursday or Friday last week. Last week, I just didn't have enough time to make the video update on this new ETF. YieldMax Hood Option Income Strategy ETF trade on New York Stock Exchange, and the ticker symbol is HOOY, or I would just say it HOY. HOY seek to generate current income by pursuing option-based strategy on Robinhood Markets Inc. HOY is managed by Tidal Financial Group. HOY does not invest directly in the hood. So this is normal. This is going to be one stock ETF and is going to use synthetic cover call option strategies. HOY is a newest member of YieldMax ETF family, and like all other YieldMax ETFs, aims to deliver current income to investors. With respect to distributions, HOY will be a Group C ETF, and its first distribution is expected to be announced on May 28th, 2025. For people who are not familiar with YieldMax ETFs, YieldMax ETF has a bunch of groups. There are 4 groups, Group A, B, C, and D. And each group would pay distribution every week in rotation. But there are certain ETFs, for example, Chappy. There are some ETFs like Chappy, GPTY, Lifty, qdte, RDTY, SDTY, ULTI, ymax. These 9 ETFs usually pay every week. The rest of ETFs have rotation. So every 4th week, you're going to receive distributions. But if you're an investor who is investing strategically, you will guarantee to receive distribution every week if you combine different ETFs together from YieldMax. So HOY is going to join a bunch of these ETFs here, and most of these ETFs, I have made a video on them. And if you want to know more about any of these ETFs in details, how much they pay and what their strategy, you can always check one of my previous video I made on all these ETFs, because every time YieldMax releases an ETF, I have covered it either once, twice, or even 3 times. Now we know HOY is going to be paying distribution monthly and is going to be on a Group C, and the first distribution is going to be announced on May 28th, 2025. Is it an ETF for you to invest your money? In this video, I'm going to give you a little details about this brand new ETF and what to expect. If you don't want to miss one of the type of update, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button, so whenever I release a new video, you're always going to receive a brand new updates. And if you like this type of content, as always, please smash the like button, and also don't forget to share with someone who you think this video might help. On official YieldMax website, HOY YieldMax Hood Option Income Strategy distribution rate right now, we don't have any because they haven't announced or they haven't even paid the first distribution. But again, whenever that comes out, I'm going to let you know. Performance, I'm going to show you performance since it came out last week. Fund overview. The YieldMax Hood Option Income Strategy ETF, HOY, is an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling and writing call options on Hood, which is a Robinhood stock. HOY pursues a strategy that aims to harvest compelling yields while retaining capital participation in the price gain of HOY. Investment objective. The fund primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the share price of the common stock of Robinhood market, subject to a limit on potential investment gains. And for people who don't know Hood, this is a brokerage kind of banking and brokerage firm that, of course, you can buy and sell your stocks. All right, fund information. The name, as you know, is YieldMax Hood Option Income Strategy ETF. Ticker symbol is HOOY or HOY. Fund inception was incepted on May 7th, 2025. Primary stock exchange is on New York Stock Exchange. Gross expense ratio is just a little over 1%. Net assets as of now, it has accumulated 2,068,000. NAV is 53. It has gained about $3.50. Share outstanding 50,000 shares. Top 10 holdings. This ETF does not hold Robinhood stock directly. It uses synthetic cover call strategy, But they're always going to have a treasury for two purposes. The first one is to seek to generate income from interest. And the second objective of holding these treasury bills or US government bond is to use them as collateral against writing synthetic call options. Another holding, they have a bunch of call options with a different strike price. The first one they have here is call option striker 49, expires in July 18th, 2025. Another 61, they have a 63, they have a 56, they have 57. These all call options expires on the same date, May 16th, 2025. And they have the last option. This is a put option, a strike at 49, expires on July 18, 2025. Now let's check HOOY price movement since it came out. The price of today, 53.58. So you've gained some money there if you invested from day it was incepted. 52-week range, $51 to 54.53. Average volume is just a little over 21,000. Now let's look at the Robinhood stock itself. Robinhood stock came out a while ago. When it came out at adjusted price, it was around $40 and it crashed to $8. And then recently it has gained momentum. 52-week range is between $13 to 66. So at one point it was a dying stock, but recently for whatever reason, I think they start making money and now it has that momentum. Robinhood average volume is closer to 50 million. Better, this is volatility as compared to S&P 500 is 2.15. This means this stock is very volatile. Being volatile like this is good news for investors who are investing to generate money using that volatility. PE ratio is 31.23. So this is almost closer to S&P 500, but when it comes to its peers in finance industry, this is a little bit higher than average. The last thing, let's look at what analysts are saying about this stock. The price target as of now is 62.21. So there's upside of about 14%. Analyst consensus is a buy. If Robinhood stock goes to 62, that means you will gain 15% on your ETF, plus, of course, distributions you're going to receive along the way. So guys, that's all I have to cover about the stock. What do you think? Are you going to invest in Robinhood ETF? So leave your comment below and let me know. I really appreciate you watching this video today. Thank you very much. I will catch you on next video. Bye bye.